we're going to read Town Tackles Energy Debate from the Hopeville Ledger by Francisco Blaine. Last night, Hopeville's mayor, Julia Sanchez, held a town meeting with town residents to discuss plans for a new power plant. The plant would be built on an unused farmland on the outskirts of the city. So far, no one agrees on what kind of energy to invest in. The federal government will give us $200 million, Sanchez said, but that will only pay part of the cost. We will have to raise most of the money ourselves. The question is, what kind of energy plant will we develop? The mayor presented two alternatives: natural gas or solar power. A loud debate followed her remarks. Tom Bradshaw, a professor from Southwest University, said, "We must pursue solar power. Solar power is energy from the sun. It's free and clean. We cannot continue to release greenhouse gases that cause the planet to overheat." He showed the audience a report from the California Energy Commission. It said that 1 day of sunlight contains more than twice the energy people could use in 1 year. Vicki Tomlin, a store owner, also argued for a solar-powered plant. It would be good for Hopeville's economy. People will want to move here, she said. Look at the statistics on the Eco News website. Around 20,000 new jobs were created in the field of solar power last year alone. The fossil fuel industry is cutting jobs. However, real estate developer Carlos Hill cautioned against solar power. The Mesa Palms solar plant, 2 counties over, cost $2 billion. We can build a natural gas plant for half that amount. Yes, fossil fuels are non-renewable, but they are still available. We found a large natural gas reserve near where we plan to build. At this point, the meeting heated up. We all have our statistics, Mr. Hill said. Eve Pierce, a spokesperson with Light Path Energy, the Mesa Palms solar plant was expensive, but it generates enough power for 100,000 homes, more than you need. You could make money selling the extra electricity to the other towns. Pierce cited findings from the Environmental Protection Agency. In 2012, over 70% of our electricity came from burning fossil fuels, mostly coal and natural gas. She said, in other words, electricity generates the largest share of greenhouse gas emissions. She stated, that has to change. Hill interrupted, saying, but natural gas is a cleaner fossil fuel. It produces half as much carbon dioxide as coal, and that's according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Plus, new drilling technologies and mapping tools make extracting the gas more efficient. No decision was reached at the meeting. Mayor Sanchez promised to hold more public meetings before a decision is made.